Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Today's my recipe is vegetable pasta. Now I'm sure many of you must be wondering that what is so great in making pasta. It's so simple and it is no rocket science. I completely agree on that, but the reason of sharing this recipe is because in this I am using only protein pastas, and usually what happens is we all do this. We just go into any of the supermarkets and we randomly pick any of the pastas which are lying there on the aisles. But if you're suffering from diabetes and if you're planning a weight loss, or if you're running short of dinner ideas, then this recipe definitely will help you a lot. So there are n number of lentil pastas that are available in the market, and if you're not finding it near your grocer, what you can do is you can just go online and you can order it from Amazon. So without much ado, let's go into the kitchen and check out this simple yet very healthy recipe. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Thank you so very much, and please take very good care of yourself till I see you again.